Milan Design Week brings designers of fans of design to Italy each year to see the latest design trends in everything from sink faucets to furniture. And nowhere in modern design it is more prevalent in culture than it is in the vehicles that we drive each day. For the third year, Kia has returned to the design-focused citywide exposition to talk about design, but also to be a part of the future-focused forum that's driving what's next in your vehicle's interiors and the exteriors. We're going to take a sneak peek at some of the designs that will definitely impress you. Building on its multi-dimensional design philosophy, Opposites United, Kia's presence includes lead designers from its global design studios, a Kia-led design symposium, and physical expressions of its design philosophy. In future products here, the EV2, the PV5, and the Weekender concept. Kia's design philosophy is strong, distinct, and it's carried through its entire product lineup of vehicles. Not just what's coming, but what's on the road today. Here is a sneak peek of some of the future product you're going to be seeing. And the context of the Milan Design Week provides a unique opportunity to see design that's coming in connection with some of the unique sustainable materials. We're revealing some of these connections that may be coming to a vehicle near you and to your dealer's showroom lot. This unique opportunity reveals some of the connections that may or may not be completely clear once you see them, but you will see this evolving into what you're going to be seeing in your driveway, in the dealer lot, and on the road in the near future. Kia's unique design stood out with some really unique features that you're not seeing in any other vehicles that they're showcasing here. Other brands are here, but what we saw here was quite impressive. Not just interiors such as this of the EV2, but also what you can do with these vehicles such as the Weekender and the PV5. Ease of use, structural integrity, and design for beauty and purity rather than the latest trend, while also making it appealing, functional, and interesting. And this is all driving the evolution of the Kia brand into the future. This is one of my favorite concepts. It's the Weekender. When you look at a vehicle like this, it doesn't really look like what you're seeing on the street today, but its capabilities and its flexibility make it a vehicle you could use all the time. I would love to see this on the roads in the near future. This is the Weekender. It is an electric vehicle, but what you see on the inside will surely impress you. The pop-up top, which is a camper, has solar panels on it, so you can recoup some of that energy. On the wheels, you'll notice this turbine design. It collects the energy as well. Again, much of the thought process and the concepts that could actually turn into a production vehicle, because you want to regenerate some of that energy for those electric batteries. Inside the vehicle, when in park, it offers a lot of flexibility. You can turn around and have a chair or a lounge chair in front of you, and the seat remains where it is. But the dash is flat and it allows for places to put items. Heading into the back, you might notice something that looks familiar to you. Those slats that are on the side, just like in your garage, you can hang things on them, whether it be a chair, a television, whatever it might be. And that green line that's across the middle, that's electrified, and that's your little sign so you know you could hang a television or an electric cooktop. Lots of different options. And that chair in the middle, that can be a table or a chair. There's a lot of creativity inside the Weekender, including storage areas and usage abilities. You can do literally anything, and you can even camp in this vehicle. Underneath this piece of glass is like a canopy, and you can get a piece of material across here, and you can use it for a changing room or whatever you need. But the fact is it's very flexible, and the thought process behind this design exercise is to show its full capabilities, not just electrifying the interior, but also the exterior. On the exterior, this highlighted segment here actually can hang a cooktop, so you could make it an outdoor camping area. One of the other unique features is the side panel can open. You can use that as an access point. You could use that for an outdoor space. You could probably even use it for a wheelchair. Really well thought out. This is the Kia PV5. It is an electric vehicle as well, very similar to that of the Weekender, but this has some flexibility and some unique features that I'd really like to see Kia bring into some of their production cars. Some of the cool features we'll see will go into production cars, others will not, either due to cost or because there isn't a lot of interest, so it's important your feedback gets back to Kia because they're always listening. Starting with the vehicle itself, has a lot of capability. It actually could be a multi-purpose vehicle. It could be great for mobility solutions, which a lot of people need. Let me show you inside this vehicle. It's pretty impressive. Inside, you're going to note right away the new dashboard and the new design. You have the ability to put your phone on the left. That nice little circle is one of those things that you don't think about. But you could magnetize your phone right there. And you've got two screens, something we're all used to. One of the cool features is additional storage for emergency kits. Lots of storage in the doors, like you might see in a full-size pickup truck. And one of the features families would really like is this tray right here. You can put items, and of course there's cup holders and places to charge. Because this is an electric vehicle, there is no drive line in the middle, and you've got tons of legroom as well as space for 3 people in the second row. Coming around to the back, you have a very large rear opening that fully opens, giving you access to the back and potentially a 3rd row, especially if you're transporting people. Again, that unique space and flexibility as well as usability is what you're going to be seeing in future product. The Kia EV2 is the closest to production in my eyes. This is very doable. It pretty much looks like a Kia Soul that's electrified, but what's inside is so much more impressive, using a lot of recycled materials. Let's ask one of the global Kia designers to get some insight of what you're going to be seeing in the near future.
My name's Karim Habib. I am the head of design for Kia. What we're looking at is the Weekender version of the PV5. And the Weekender was a kind of working title or an idea to show exactly that this vehicle that started life as a logistics or hailing vehicle that was meant for business to business can be customized, can be individualized, can be converted to something that is very personal, very individual. I think for everyone, basically, it's meant to listen to the needs and wants of people. So we created this platform, this architecture, this type of vehicle that you can modify it. And this Weekender is the idea of how you could make an extreme camping vehicle on a fairly small footprint. And this is our way of dreaming about it. The concept of the camping car based on the PV5 is something we are working on. And not just one, we're working on different versions. We're working on a light camping car and we're working on a full camping car. And we'll be working with different conversion companies to offer different levels of, let's say, depth in your camping experience. The V2, which we're showing you in the concept car version, the way we basically work is we start a production process and a concept car process almost at the same time. So they're going in parallel. So this is not exactly what you will see in production, but it's very, very close. And the EV2 is meant for the European market at this point as well. What you see in the concept really is a very close promise of the production car. You know, pretty soon the next Telluride will be coming, and I think that's obviously an important car for us. I can't wait for that to be revealed and see how our customers and our dealers see it. That's a big one that will be coming to the US fairly soon.
There's a lot going on here in Milan besides Kia and their displays. We're going to check that out, including the other manufacturers, which happen to be only the luxury brands: Lamborghini, Ducati, BMW, and Audi. Those are some pretty high-end brands. But here is Kia showcasing what they've got coming in the near future. Other brands aren't here. I wonder why. Maybe Kia has a bigger, bolder statement than we think. We'll be seeing a lot more coming to your dealer lot. I'm Lauren Fix for CBT News.